Perform the indicated operations. Which of the following is the resulting polynomial written in standard form? Okay, so now we're subtracting. So we have to there's one extra little step than with the addition problem, in that we have to distribute this negative sign to all the terms in the parentheses. So I'm just going to rewrite this as 2x to the seventh minus 11x to the fourth plus 6 minus 9x to the seventh plus 6x to the fourth minus 3. And then I will gather like terms. I've got some x to the sevenths. I've got some x to the fourths. And I have some constants. Okay, so for x to the sevenths, 2 minus 9 is negative 7, x to the seventh. And then x to the fourths, negative 11 plus 6 is negative 5. And 6 minus 3 is plus 3. So negative 7x to the seventh minus 5x to the fourth plus 3 is option D.